Dear children, this is your maths textbook, 7th standard maths textbook, page number 27. Co-interior angles and co-exterior angles. Line AB and line CD. These two lines are parallel lines, same width, same distance everywhere. So these two lines, line AB and line CD, are parallel lines. And this line EF or FE, this transversal, this line intersects these two lines, these two parallel lines. So when a line intersects or cuts or crosses two other parallel lines, here 8 angles are formed. That's what I'm telling you. Listen very carefully. And this is number 1. Here it is number 2. This one number 3. This is 4. Here it is 5. This is 6. Here it is 7. This one is 8. So this is so simple. You can see that angles are formed here. Look at this one. This is angle number 1. This one is number 2. This one is number 3. And this one is number 4. Just like that here also. This is angle 5. And this one is 6. This is 7. And this one is 8. So these are the 8 angles we can see when a transversal line or a slanted line intersects two other parallel lines. Here you can see 4 angles. Now you can see this angle A and B. This is above. These 2 angles are above this line, and these 2 angles are below this line. That means this is interior and this one is exterior. Just like that here also. This is interior, and this one is exterior. Okay, so the angles 3 and 4, 5 and 6, these 4 angles are called interior angles. Here, this transversal line, right side of this transversal line, these angles are there. Angle 1, 4, 5 and 8. And left side of this transversal line, we can see angle 2, 3, 6 and 7. And if you look at these angles, 2 angles we can see inside of these lines, that is interior, and 2 angles you can see outside, that is exterior. So here I can say angle 4 and 5 are co-interior angles. Just like that, these 3 and 6, these 2 are co-interior angles. This 3 and this 6, then 4, and next one is 5. These angles are co-interior angles. Look at this angles 1 and 2 and angles 7 and 8. We call these angles, these 4 angles, exterior angles. Why? Because these 4 angles are outside of these 2 parallel lines. So we call these exterior angles. This is also exterior angles. Now, another important thing that you should bear in mind is where these angles 1, 4, 5 and 8, all these angles you can see right side of this transversal line, right side of this slanted line. And angles 2, 3, 6 and 7 you can see left side of this transversal line. So these 2 are co-interior angles, and angles 3 and 6 are co-interior angles. Just like that, exterior angles, here it is 1 and this 8. So angle 1 and angle 8, these 2 angles are co-exterior angles. This one and this one. These two are co-exterior angles, and left side the co-exterior angles are these 2 and 7. Angle 2 and angle 7 are co-exterior angles. I think this is clear. So look at this co-interior angles. Here it is interior angles. This one right side of this transversal line. You can see 4 and 5 angles, 4 and 5. So co-interior angles, angle 4 and 5. And left side you can see co-interior angles, angle 3 and 6. Angles 3 and 6. Then exterior angles, you can see here angles 1 and 8, same side, right side of this transversal, that is 1 and 8, angles 1 and 8, and left side you can see exterior angles 2 and 7. So angles 2 and 7, these are co-exterior angles and these are co-interior angles. Look at this one. Here it is a 60 degrees, then how much will be this side? I have told you earlier that if you keep a protractor here, total is 180 degrees. X, Y, this is a straight angle and this is 180 degrees. So if you subtract 60 degrees from 180, how much you will get? 120 degrees, this one. So this one is opposite angle, so here it is 60 degrees, and this here it is 120 degree. Why? Because opposite angles are equal. So we got this, and the same here you can see this is a similar position. This one here it is ACY is equal to 60 degrees. So the similar position is this one PRY. So here it is 60 degrees. So PRY is equal to 60 degrees. Its opposite angle is this one. Here also 60 degrees. Now I told here 60 degrees. Here it is 120 degrees. So here it is 120 degrees. Its opposite angle is this one. Here it is 120 degrees. Okay, here you can see two parallel lines, line AB and line PQ. These two are parallel lines, and line XY intersects these two parallel lines. I told you earlier that when a line intersects two other parallel lines, 4 angles are formed here, and again another 4 angles are formed here too. Here you can see angle number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here angles 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this line XY, the angles that you can see above XY, the angles you can see above XY are 2, 1, 5 and 8, and angles below XY are 3, 4, 6 and 7. Here you can see this one angle ACY and angle PRX. These two angles are inside these two parallel lines. Inside, I told you that is interior. So these two are interior angles. So we can say that angle ACY and angle PRX, these two angles, co-interior angles. Again, you can see another pair of co-interior angles, this one BCY and QRX. Here it is, this angle 4 and angle 6. These two angles are called co-interior angles. Now once again, XY, above XY, this angle number 2, that is angle ACX and angle PRY, these two angles are not inside but it is outside. So these two angles are called exterior angles. Again, these two angles are called co-exterior angles. So, above this line XY, we can see a pair of co-interior angles and again another pair of co-exterior angles. Okay, just like that, below XY, look at this one. These two angles, angle BCY and angle QRX, these two are co-interior angles, and again angle BCX and angle QRY, these two angles are co-exterior angles. That's what I wrote here. Look at this co-interior angles. Angle ACY, this one, angle ACY, and angle PRX. Here it is, ACY is equal to 60 degrees. PRX, that is 120 degrees. When you add these two measures, degrees, they add up to 180 degrees. So these two angles are supplementary angles. Again, these two angles, co-exterior angles, here it is 60 degrees, this one is 120 degrees. So when you add these two angles, you get 180 degrees. So these two angles are supplementary angles. The same here also. Look at this one, angle BCY and angle QRX. Here it is 120 degrees, this one is 60 degrees. Add these two, you will get 180 degrees. So these two angles are BCY and QRX. These two angles are supplementary angles. These two exterior angles, angle BCX and QRY, 60 degrees plus 120 degrees. They add up to 180 degrees. So these two co-exterior angles are supplementary angles. That is what I wrote here. And go through this easily, you will understand everything. And this is all about page number 27, co-exterior angles and co-interior angles. I think you understood everything. Thanks for watching.